Take the wheel. I want to make sure I got the shot.
Yeah.
Okay, good enough. I got it. So I want to get a gimbal.
Hopefully stays level.
Everybody's going for the thin side. 3 minutes.
Let's go for the middle. Let them battle it out on the end.
We're going to come back, right?
Stay loose.
Okay. Put your hand on the top of the ball. Yeah, I don't know how tight.
Is that good?
Yeah, yeah.
Get ready, let's jive. Can you jive? Okay, looks like such a jive. Coming about. Hard to lead. Ahead. I think we're going to be early. So get ready. We're going to the right and I'll go to the left. I'm doing
So
And he would bring his surfboard with him.
flew the Spinnaker today for the first time, and it was excellent, fun. A couple hard moments.
Well, this was actually
At one point, I thought we were going to go into a death roll, but we didn't. It was just my paranoia. But it felt good. I had my brother on the other side, so that was interesting. But I think my best race I've had ever since I've been on this boat. So it's just a great night.
I went to, there was a really
COVID year, we're gonna get a first place. First place, baby. First.
Some like rocket.
Well, Eric clearly made an offering to the patron saint of unsecured halyards. And the halyard that was clearly secured, inspected by 2 people, was not secured. So we improvised. And miraculously,
One of the things that she curated out there,
whatever patron saint he made your offering to, make sure you buy lots of those candles.
10:30, 11 o'clock. Actually, B is to my right. I'm not going to hit it, right? Wow, we're getting illuminated. Where's the beach? Oh, there it is.
Oh man, this is just a special day for me, man. It's been a really tough few months, tough season. Been struggling to get some transportation to get the fuck out of the city. And I got my transportation, and the first thing I did was text Brian and say, I think I want to crew the office tonight. So I did. So I couldn't be more happy right now.
We're always welcome to you. We're always happy to have you. We're always welcome to you.
And I'm wearing these sunglasses not because I feel like a rock star, it's because of the prescription.
Oh, believe me, with that little like curly cute loop on your head, you don't feel nothing else. So don't worry about it.
Hey, our mutual friend Valerie made this for us. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Not far. I think you want to get set. Stay right up.
Okay, I just wanted to know where I'm going.
Anybody see it yet? Yeah, that's it. Getting lifted right to it. Pulled me all the way up the mast. I said you lost the halyard. set up the other halyard. Quick, the other halyard. Sails out.
Brian, let it go.
Got it.
Okay, we had first. Whatever.
Let's go first.
Wait, your halyard's not on the outside.
So we stride one of the houses. Okay.
What's wrong now?
The red line is all puffed up. There's Taylor.
Hey, your halyard is caught on a cleat. It's caught on a cleat. Got it. Come on, Caleb. It's still going to get caught on the cleat. That cleat is up. Slack on the guy. Slack on the guy. Okay, you take this. You ready on this?
Now just tell me if I need to pull or just put I need to do in.
Come on, pull. You pull. Guy has to pull.
Keep pulling.
No, that's good.
Okay.
All right. You're going right.
Okay.
It's up.
Back. Line back. Halyard, guy back. Guy back.
Yeah.
Give him a crank. You can't do two things. Come back and somebody come back and help him. He can.
Tell me how far to go.
That's you, Brian. Somebody crank for Brian. Over here. Somebody crank for Brian. Brian, you need to go tighter, Brian.
Fine.
There you go. You see?
Good. Yeah. No, but you're pulling across. You got your.
Okay, so ease it now, Brian. Ease it.
The topping lift should go up.
Okay.
I think you have a lot of space on that halyard.
Okay, topping lift up, but I want a little bit. The guy needs to. Okay.
Yeah.
You should be on the guy. Watch that. Keep it perpendicular.
What am I watching? Sorry.
Somebody tell him.
The wind vane?
Yeah, just keep the pole perpendicular to the wind.
So it
Should communicate with Brian.
should be the same thing as the wind vane?
What?
Should be the same
Yeah,
thing.
you think this
Across it. Yeah.
Oh, perpendicular.
perpendicular?
They need to be further out. Got it. Oh yeah, I see. Like that. Yeah.
You don't want to hit the main stick.
Yeah. Got it.
You two, anytime you're going to move it, make sure Brian knows.
Okay. Thank you.
So the halyard?
What's that?
So the halyard was
Right, the halyard never got hooked up, and now it ends way up there.
Yeah, we could get that done.
I thought it was hooked up.
Give me a crank.
What's that?
I thought it was hooked up.
Yeah, can you give me a crank on that?
Apparently not.
You're pretty good. You're pretty good.
Good. Thank you.
It's easier, Jeff, if you just get up here and get close to it.
Yeah, okay. I noticed that.
No, you're not. You have to, it's constant. You can't clear it.
Got it.
Yeah, you don't want that locked in. That's not something that's locked in. You're going to be moving around all the time.
Let me know if you need a crank, Brian.
Brian, this is what you do. Watch, don't look at me, look up there. Ease until you see a little curl, and then bring it in again. Otherwise, you're choking it. We're going 7.5 knots. Ease again until, you don't want to choke it, Brian. Ease it until you see a little curl and then you'll bring it back.
He has to do
Don't
more
worry about, Brian, don't worry about what Jeff's doing. Caleb, you focus on what Jeff's doing. Brian, you watch the curl. Bring it back. Ease it, and then when you see, you know, when you get too much curl, ask the end to crank it in again.
Well, just letting us, even though Eric may have got around us, we're not keeping in the station with him.
You know, skying the halyard didn't help, but like we got that other, you know, having backups.
That's why you have to.
Okay, so pull that in a little bit. Oh no, you're okay. You're okay. A little tiny bit of curve action is okay. But you want to be at that hairy edge. You understand, Brian?
That's perfect.
You want to be right at that edge.
That's much better.
You're constantly loosening and tightening, loosening and tightening.
I forgot what perpendicular meant. I was trying to do parallel.
Wind move all the way back, guys. The pole should be way back. Nobody's paying attention. Pole should be way back.
Way back?
Yep. Yeah, perpendicular to that.
Okay, so pull it in and move it to the right. Got it.
So that means you had to ease as he did that. Okay. But yeah, you need to pull it in. Come on, pull it in. You know, excellent. Excellent.
One advantage
Oh
we have-
shit, can we go through the line? We don't know. I'm going to go around the pin because I don't know if we can cross the line.
Hit the pen.
I'm letting go a little bit, bro.
I don't know why you're letting that go. You should be further back.
Trying to keep it parallel to the wind.
Yeah. Come back.
Like you told him.
Yeah. Trying to keep it perpendicular to that vein.
Yeah, but I'm seeing where the wind is and you're way too far forward. Way too far forward.
Am I letting go or pulling in?
You're pulling in. So you guys lost it just then.
Yeah. Yep. You're in the guts. That's why it's not too funny.
Yeah, when you want to trim, when you want the crank view, you ask them to trim it.
Crank the whole time.
And when you're easing, say easing. Let people know what you're doing. They did say A8. Why is he all the way over there?
Because he's got a fucking A-semi. He can't go dead down.
Okay, that's why.
He has to
Caleb,
tap.
get the other line out of the water.
The other what?
The other
Right, I'm getting going to let it go a little bit.
guy, the other guy.
I want to crank in.
Pull back.
The other guy would have.
I just want to make sure it's not in the water. Okay, excellent.
Alright.
Okay, I don't know, we have to go a little bit to the left. Yeah, we're getting close to jive territory. Should I ease it up? Pull it, come on guys, why are you not all the way back? Caleb, help him, you crank it, let him.
Yeah, let me crank.
And Jeff, you tell him what to do.
Yeah.
He's not going to watch.
Okay, got it. Alright, good. Hold. Yeah, that's good.
See the red marker, the red buoy by the top of the bridge.
I don't. Yeah, I do, yeah.
That's our mark.
Oh, nice.
So we can see that quite a ways off.
Yeah.
But he, because he has an A-spin, he can't take it down here just a pat. So we just actually cover longer distances.
Watch, Jeff, just
But he
keep
can go
watching up.
faster.
Yes, sir.
Keep your head up.
Yeah, that'd be crank.
It's about neck pain,
Actually, no.
Jeff. You're going to have neck pain. It's okay. The halyard could have been up higher, guys.
Don't worry about it. It's only great.
Yeah. In the future, it could have been up higher.
Kind of let go of that work.
Good work, Brian. You got this shit good. I like this.
Yeah.
Where's your eyes? Where are your eyes?
We were yelled at
Okay,
a
so what
sailboat the whole
happened?
life.
Where'd the wind go? Where's the wind now?
Any different.
Is the wind more on the beam now?
Now what's
Let's basically ease it forward and let Brian know what you're doing. Say, Brian, I'm easing it forward. The wind is moving forward, Brian. You're going to have to pull it back. So you ease forward, Jeff. Just look. Ease it forward, Jeff.
Not forward?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Brian, come on, pull it back. You guys have to work in unison.
More pressure over.
Go. I would say you want to go like almost all the way forward. Don't touch. But go like as far forward as you can.
There you go.
Okay. That's good. That's actually good. The wind's coming back a
You're
little
ready
bit.
to help me if I need you to. I can't go anywhere.
And Brian, you know what you're doing, right? You're easing and then trimming. Easing and trimming. Not bad for a first time, right?
Oh, we need to.
Aren't you glad you watched the video?
I did watch the video.
Oh wait, and the wind just moved behind us, guys. We got a wind shift.
Okay, bring pull back. More back.
Pull back.
Pull
back.
Crank it.
And you ease as he goes back, Brian.
Crank it. Okay, that's good. Hold.
If the wind stayed in one place, you'd be bored. I think you can come back a little bit more, right?
Yeah, we're almost right behind it.
Okay, how are we taking it down? It's a little soon to start thinking about it, but let's have a plan. The wind is over there. We're going to jibe around the mark.
Okay, let it go a little bit. Let it Ryan. Yeah.
You want to drop it before we get to the mark?
Yeah, and dropping it, we got to pull the sail out on the left side.
Yeah.
The sail is.
Blanket it.
Come on, pull that sail out, Brian.
Taking it down on this side, right?
No, you got to take it down that side because this side has the pole.
Wing to wing in it. Look at those guys. They're beautiful.
Yeah.
What's our knots? Curious.
Good. We're down to 6. We were at 7.5 before.
You still feel the speed?
No, you don't.
Behind us,
Downwind is
it's
very
amazing, yeah.
deceptive. It feels like nothing.
What were we going when we were going upwind?
Probably more like 6.
Brian, you sure you don't want to be here next week?
7.5. But we had current too.
Isn't this fun?
We don't leave Thursday.
No, we're going to be up there.
Where are you guys going?
The cot of the Cape.
Oh, okay.
Anybody see where the race committee is? I have no clue. I didn't
Go
put
right
it,
in the sun.
I didn't put it on
Someone
my,
plays busy.
I should have dinged them. I didn't do it.
Committee vote?
Yeah.
I'm gonna ease it up a bit.
Okay, the pole should be back, guys.
Yeah, we just lost it, yeah. Okay, hold it, hold. Good.
Like we were saying, this is always a hole.
Yeah. I know, I hate 8. I don't know why we went back to 8 bullshit.
I know we've had a number of memorable landings. Some of them we never ran. Sometimes.
Caleb, the wind is dying. The wind is down to 4.9. Caleb, what's the current situation? Okay,
I got
good.
it.
Down to like 11 or something.
Okay, to check it out, right in front of us is a boat that's dead in the water. So
There's
in
a
that
kayak
case,
right next to the buoy too, about
I'm going to get closer to.
You need to head more towards it. We're getting set down.
Right, I'm heading more this way.
Man,
We may need to jibe.
No, we're okay.
I think we're just
Ryan?
taking the jib out.
I'm right up against the pole there.
3.8. Great. We're in a hole. Wind died. About to get first place in the wind.
They're all gonna hit the hole.
Everybody hits the hole. Except for one, I guess. Except for
Can't see over the
Except for Eric, they're barreling up behind.
Yeah, he's coming down on us fast.
He'll get on the left and call no room at the mark.
I think you need to go back to it. Go back to this one.
Be careful about stretching the foot too much.
Right.
You're
Yeah,
too
it's
tight.
too tight.
You're too tight.
Ease the sheet.
Okay, I feel some wind picking up. Your pole is too high for the lack of wind that we have.
You want it down on the mast?
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Maybe the topping lift a little bit. Wind is coming up a little bit. I got six knots of wind.
Yeah, they're moving ahead. Pole needs to come back.
So ease it so he can pull the pole back. Come on, get that pole back. Pull back. Okay, don't worry about it. Get ready to pull out the jib. Pull it out. Pull it out now. No, other way. Pull it out. You go deal with get the sail down.
Am I letting go of this?
Get the sail down. Caleb, release, halyard.
I'm on the halyard.
I'm holding now. I'm holding this guy.
Let it go.
Yep.
Let everything go, guys. Caleb, you gotta drive that sail. Drive the main. Get your heads down. Main's gotta drive.
No, unleash. Watch your head. Good night.
Okay. Drive the jib. Get that jib seat. Come on. Get that jib seat. Get it in all the way. Get it nice and hard. Okay, Caleb, sail in. Wait, the pole's still on. Pole is on the jib. Pole got caught on the jib. Get it out of there. Okay, get it out of the jib. Get it out. Okay, bring it in. You're free. Bring it in all the way. Caleb, your sail's not up.
The other way. Clear the pole, coming tight.
Pole.
Watch your feet, please.
a great first race of the season. It seems like maybe we got a first.
No, but I went to
we
deliver
had a
on the
couple of
sculptures today,
mishaps
and then this
skying
guy was there helping me. And we're both
Spinnaker
trying, but it's
halyard,
like, you know,
but
close to 90
we
degrees.
recovered very
and we're both
quickly.
like,
Grabbed another halyard, put it on there.
and at the end
I
of
think we
it, he
ended up
was
using
just
a chip
like,
halyard,
wants to
but
shake
whatever.
my hand. It's like,
And,
so hard. I did shake it.
Okay, I think I missed the line by like 10 seconds, but it wasn't bad. You know, I keep tending to think that we're going to be too soon, but if we were too soon, I could have turned. What's really nice is hitting the line at full volume and full speed. I think he hit the line a little bit in front of us, and he was a little ahead of us, but for some reason we caught up and passed him. He called for room at the mark, which was optimistic.
Peter, you play music too?
I looked, there was no overlap, and we ended up being able to cut in front of him and keep him out. We turned a little late coming around that mark. I don't know why I went a little late on it. I should have just taken the paint off.
Then I ended up somehow.
But
as a single
current
parent,
was going down, so that was the reason to give it a little extra room. You don't want the current pushing
Then
you
I've
into
ended
the
up in
race.
places.
What a day. I think Matthew got a first here.
Oh, all of us.
We all did, yeah. Actually, we all did, right. And it was hard work. And despite fuck-ups, I think we did quite well, unless John caught us. And we'll see. I think it's a very good showing our first time out. So what a crew. What a boat. And thanks, Matt.
Thank you all. What a crew. Somebody see the pin. Closer to the pin. 11 o'clock? In that case,
Pins at 12 o'clock.
okay, we're heading to the pin. Keep us on the pin. Give me updates on the angle of the pin. And you sit here.
very sweet night. I'm glad that I was supposed to work all night tonight, but I was like, how could I do that?
Hey, bring a sail in. Bring
Be
a sail in.
out sailing on The Office, and
Yeah, I guess so.
so I came out and I'm so psyched. Yeah, beautiful night.
Yeah, when Ian has a meeting, all I can, I don't say anything to him, all I can think is priorities, man.
Yeah. Indeed. And it's nice to have priorities that are somewhat
Sunglasses and readers. So
senseless or
three pairs of readers on this
what is the
photo alone.
word? Frivolous. But this is like what life should be, like to come out here and just enjoy the world. And this is a pretty special world out here in the midst of all this mess. So, thanks, Matt.
Thank you.
It's really nice to be out here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Not farther away.
Committee boat?
A little bit.
I don't think so.
Falling off a little.
I think the committee boat is closer.
See it, Matt, here? See it, Matt?
I'm watching the wind.
I can't believe it. The way I remember.
Watch the skirt. The skirt. Wait, you're okay. Wind just dropped to 9. Ease. Okay, that's good. Green is ease. Red is, bring it in, trim. The red is trim. Trim. It could have been closer, but